let's get straight to it. 2005 Honda Accord. This is the 3.0 liter engine. So I'm gonna have to remove the 4 screws or bolts that holds this air filter cover on. So it's just 4 8mm bolts down there to get up, and then we'll be able to go to the next step. All right, if you look right down here, right underneath the boot, you can see there's a couple of tabs that to be released to get this wire up right here. And once this wire is up, we'll be able to lift this completely up. So I'm going to use this tool here to pry these tabs up. So once I'm able to get this part up above this lip right here, that's when you're able to pull it out of that boot. And just like that, we have it off. All right, so once it's up, we can pop this up, slide it backwards a little bit to clear this lip, and then we can take that out. And we can see now, this is our filter here. So this is how you remove your old filter. And if you wanted to put your new filter in, it's the same exact way you took it out. So you'll grab your filter, clear that lip right there. Now this filter can go in either way. There's no certain way to orientate this. So once you get it in, now we can just work in reverse to put this piece back on. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's how you change your filter. To get this back on, just pretty much do it in reverse. Just slide it right back on here first, and then put your 4 bolts back in, and that's it, guys.